free skin. It's the Tilt Page Birth Month. For their monthly event, they will be teaming up with 3 content creators to give you one of the biggest event yet. They'll have a prize promos from May 1 to May 22 and going to give away 1 wild pass and 2 skin of your choice. How to join? Like and follow Tilt Page on Facebook. Subscribe to Jetcraps. Like and follow Jetcraps on Facebook. React and share this post with that hashtag recycle.
Hey guys, hear ye, it's Rengar's Blade. So today I'm gonna show you how I made this Rengar's Blade from Wildrift using cardboard. So let's start. As always, we'll be needing a cardboard and the printed file with the mirrored print. So we'll be using the original. We will start here, and then we'll need to trim it from the side, and then this other part, and then we need to glue it. There's only 3 pages though, so it's cheap, but it will be total of 6 pages because you need to print the mirrored one. And then trim out this because we don't need this. Then bring out your cardboard and place it where it can fit perfectly. So this was a perfect fit. And then add glue. Keep adding glue everywhere. And after that you need to spread it. And then we need to paste it in the board. Paste it perfectly. And then I'll use a glue stick to cut it more. And voila, we're done. And then it's cut out time. So I'm gonna cut this because it will took an hour to cut out all. Okay. And then we'll start with the blade. So cardboard. Well, it's easy to find, you know. Sometimes when I go to the market, I always ask for a cardboard if they're going to throw it in the trash, or yes, if they're going to throw it in the trash, then I would like to have that cardboard so I can recycle it. That's how I always got a cardboard for my recycling videos. And then I'm having a problem with the glue stick because I'm running out of budget to make these videos, because sometimes it took a 2 to 3 glue stick to make a piece. Sometimes it took only 1 if I'm making a small one. Then I got this idea from, I don't know, because Wildrift released an event where Kha'Zix and Rengar are in the main event. So I choose Rengar, and I got the spawn, I think it's in a spawn icon on the platform. So I think Rengar will win the event, and then we will get the icon border. I think looks like the icon border from the PC version. It's like a frame, right? Yeah. And then I still haven't finished the event yet, so the champion unlock, like if you unlock the, I think it's the 6th one, you'll choose a Kha'Zix or Rengar. So I will choose Kha'Zix because I will already have Rengar, right? And then the battle pass. So the battle pass, I haven't unlocked it yet because I don't have the budget for it, because it's like 250 pesos for us in Philippines. Yeah, so I don't have that cash yet because my cash is only for buying my baby's milk. Yes, I have a baby. So this video took me a 2 hours to make, maybe, or so, and then compressed it in a, I think it's an 8-minute video, right? Because I don't wanna involve any boring parts like cut out. It would take an hour to cut out. When doing the mirrored side, when you made the original, you will easily make the mirrored side. So if you don't know how to print in mirrored, it should be easy. It's on the printer settings, and then check the mirrored image, check that, and then print it. So it will print exactly the original except it's flipped. So originally my design was to lay out a PDF that only print the left or right side, so you don't need to download the mirrored side because you'll need to print it on mirrored, so it won't cost you more data to download it. You just need to print it in mirrored, right? Okay, we're done with the holder and the blade. So when we're done with this, we need to make the mirrored one. So we just, oh no, okay, just remove the original one and then compress them, and then smash it. Yeah, it's done. And then put these two together, and then done. And then the blade is next. Like this, and it's done. Now just put the blade and the guard of the blade, so we see right. Then look at that, it's all done. We just need to furnish the glue that's sticking out, or the stringing glue. I hate that. Just pull that out, then flatten it, flatten the glue, clear the seams, then you're done. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye then. Take care now. Take care now. Bye bye then.